You're watching Tap Tech, the place where the latest devices meet honest reviews, and where you get to know exactly what makes new tech worth it. Today we're looking at the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a camera built for creators, travelers, and adventurers who want high-quality footage in a compact body. DJI has been improving its action camera lineup year after year, and this new model brings together a lot of small refinements with some major changes that make it stand out. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro feels like a device that was designed with both professionals and casual users in mind. It's compact, easy to carry, and durable. But at the same time, it has advanced features that make it appealing to content creators who need high-quality video, stable footage, and reliability in different conditions. Before we get into the experience of using it, let's talk about what you actually get here. The specifications of the Osmo Action 5 Pro are pretty impressive for its size. It comes with a larger sensor than its predecessor, designed to capture more light and detail, which means better low-light performance. It supports up to 6K video recording with high frame rates, and it even has advanced HDR modes that help retain detail in bright and dark areas at the same time. DJI also added improved stabilization technology, which makes your footage smoother even when you're running, biking, or filming in difficult environments. It's waterproof, shock-resistant, and built to handle different kinds of adventures. Design-wise, the Osmo Action 5 Pro keeps the same compact and rugged look, but it feels more premium this time. The materials are solid, the buttons feel responsive, and the camera body has better protection against scratches and damage. The dual-screen setup remains, with a front display for vlogging and a larger rear touchscreen for settings and previews. Both screens are brighter, sharper, and easier to see under sunlight, which is always important for action cameras. The display is a noticeable improvement here. DJI worked on brightness levels so that even in direct sunlight you can still see what you're recording. The touch response is also smoother, which makes changing settings on the go easier. For creators, being able to quickly switch frame rates, resolutions, and modes without delays can make a big difference. Performance is where this camera really shines. The larger sensor and updated processor help produce sharp, detailed footage with vibrant colors. Low-light performance is stronger, so if you're shooting at night or indoors, the video won't look grainy like older action cameras. The stabilization system, called Rocksteady, is one of DJI's strongest features, and this new version feels even more natural. It keeps movement smooth but doesn't make footage look too artificial. The software and features add even more flexibility. The Osmo Action 5 Pro supports different shooting modes like time-lapse, hyperlapse, slow motion, and creative templates for quick edits. The companion app is smoother now, making it easier to connect wirelessly, transfer videos, and even do light editing on the go. Voice control has also been improved, so you can start recording hands-free when you're in the middle of an activity. Battery life has always been important for action cameras, and DJI claims longer usage this time. With more efficient power management, you can shoot for several hours depending on resolution and frame rate. The fast charging also helps, so even if you run low, you can quickly top it up and get back to recording without waiting too long. If you're into gaming-style content or creative performance, this camera gives you plenty of options. With high frame rate recording, gamers and creators can make smooth gameplay like clips or use it for streaming setups. For creative projects, the HDR and slow motion modes add flexibility, allowing more cinematic looks without complicated gear. The speakers and audio recording are also better. The built-in microphones now capture clearer sound with better noise reduction, which helps when filming in windy conditions or crowded environments. For serious creators, external microphone support is also available, so you can step up audio quality even further. Connectivity is straightforward. You get wireless transfers through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, plus smooth syncing with the DJI app. For people who like editing on their phone, it makes the whole process faster and less fuzz. Trotting. In terms of price and value, the Osmo Action 5 Pro sits in the premium range of action cameras, but the features match the cost. You're paying for a combination of durability, image quality, and advanced stabilization, all in a compact body. For travelers, vloggers, and adventurers, this makes it a good investment. There are a few pros and cons worth mentioning. The pros include the improved sensor, excellent stabilization, better low-light performance, dual bright displays, stronger battery life, and overall premium design. On the downside, the price might feel high compared to budget action cameras, and while audio has improved, professionals might still prefer external mics. Also, shooting at the highest resolution drains battery faster, which is something to keep in mind. The final verdict is that the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is one of the most versatile and reliable action cameras available right now. It takes everything people loved about the earlier models and improves them with better video quality, stabilization, and usability. Whether you're capturing travel adventures, creating content for social media, or just wanting reliable footage from your activities, this camera delivers. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you clear and honest reviews about the latest devices. If you found this review helpful, make sure to stay tuned because more exciting tech coverage is on the way.